everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you get this message pop up when you're trying to use the camera on your Samsung phone. It says like security policy prevents use of this camera, and this is because you accidentally pressed a button. So in the top right, if we scroll on down, there's going to be a button somewhere on here that says sensors, and you can turn this on or off. So just look for something that says sensors under these buttons and then turn this off. So usually it's in like the top left, otherwise we might have to go to edit and then go to here. And then we can look through the extra buttons down here and just move it to the top if it's under here. But look for something called sensors on or off, and then just make sure it's off under these buttons. So it should be on here. You accidentally press it probably by going to Wi-Fi or something like that. So turn off sensors, and then you should be good to go.